Hello everybody, today we are working on a Volkswagen TOUAREG 2015 and it sometimes sets this fault code P0A1B Bravo, and then it also gives a warning in the dash about hybrid mode. So we have made the car safe to work on and we did some installation tests. I will show you where the module is. Here's the module. These are the drive motor cables. Uniform Victor Whiskey. We have tested those for installation faults. They were okay. Then we did an milliohm measurements across all the phases, and those were correct as well. So now the next step Otis wants us to do is test with a diode tester between P1 and P4. So here we have P1 is number 6, this pin, and P4 number 3 is the top one. Okay, my colleague will take my phone so I can use my hands, both hands, to show you. So we go on pin 1, P1, and on P4, and our diode tester says endless. It also wants us to do it on pin 5. That also shows us endless, and P6 also endless. After that it wants us to do it on P2, and there we see a measurement of 0.3 again against pin 6, and we do it against pin 5, also 0.3, and pin 3 also 0.3. So we will fill in these values. So everything on P1 is not correct. So it asks us what is pin 1 against pin 4, and if it's endless, if the diode test set endless, fill in 5. So we fill in 5. Okay, do you want to repeat the measurements? No, we have repeated multiple times. Then what I said, P2 against pin 4. Pin 2 is the minus, that's the correct one, so 0.3. 0.3. Okay, that's fine. Then it wants us pin 2 against pin 5. That was also 0.3. Is this correct? Yes. And then P1 against P5. That's the wrong one, so we fill in 5. Okay, do you want to repeat? No, we had repeated multiple times and it's always 5. So no. And then it asks us P1 against P6. That's the broken one as well. So 5. Do you want to repeat? No. And then the last one he asked P2 against P6. And it was 0.3 again. Okay, that's correct. And now it tells us to change the power electronics for electro drive JX1.